Hello and welcome. My name is Stephanie Lillian, and this is Q&A/tip for the week. Our question that has been submitted today is, how can I de-stress in 5 minutes? So maybe you're going between work meetings, you're going between picking up kids, you got a lot on your to-do list, and you just need a quick mental detox. You need to de-stress and come back into your body. So today I hope to give you a quick tip that'll help you de-stress in a little bit amount of time. So one of the most powerful tools we have, or set of tools that we have, is our senses. Hearing, seeing, smelling, tasting, touching. All of our senses truly allow ourselves to come into the present moment. So when we begin to tune into any of our senses, we can truly allow ourselves to arrive here and now. Stress is something that happens within the mind. It's something that takes us out of where we are right now. It takes us to worries of the future or problems of the past. The only time stress really happens right now is if you are in immediate danger. And I am more likely to hypothesize that most of the time, the immediate danger or threat is not right now. So the stress is something that is within us and within our mind. So if you'd like to explore this with me, I'm going to take you through a brief meditation which at any time throughout your day you can use because it's simple enough to follow and you have all the tools you need right now. So tune in with me right now. Make sure you have either a comfortable place that you're sitting or standing. You can do this anywhere, preferably not driving though. If you'd like, you can gently draw your eyes closed, and that's completely up to you. Rest your hands down by your sides or on your legs if you're seated. And allow yourself to just check in right now. So maybe you're in a stress state, maybe you're not. Just take a moment to notice, bring your awareness to your mind. How does it feel right now? Maybe even come up with a word to describe how it feels. Bring your awareness to your body. Give it a scan. How does it feel? What do you notice about it? Is there a word that you can use to describe the state of your body right now? If so, what is it? And tune into your emotional state of being. So what emotion do you feel right now? Whatever it is, just let it come up. What is it? All right, we checked in. Let's move towards our senses. Bring your awareness to any exposed skin. We'll start with a sense of touch, with feeling. So draw your mind to any area of your body that has exposed skin in the room around you. Notice how the air around you feels. Use all your mental energy and power to solely focus on this one sensation. Take a couple moments to simply observe how the air feels on your skin. Feel the temperature, the humidity, any sorts of breezes. And anytime your mind wants to wander away, gently bring it back to the feeling of the air on your skin. Pause here for a couple moments, just feeling the sensation. Now gently shift your awareness to your ears. Let's begin to hear the space all around us. Again, focus all your awareness, your mental strength on staying with what you feel or what you hear now in the ears. Notice every sound, big or small, light or booming. Take a couple moments, listen, And again, when your mind wanders, come back to what you hear. From here, gently shift your awareness yet again, this time to the sense of smell. So bring your awareness to your nostrils and begin to try to detect any scents in the air around you. Now, if you've been in one room for a prolonged period of time, the scents may be a little bit undetectable. So really try to become investigative in those nostrils. What do you pick up? If it's difficult to find anything to smell, simply feel the breath go in and out of the nose. Again, try your best to stay just with this scent, just with this sense of smell. And again, when your mind thinks and goes off, bring it back to smelling within the nose. And one more sense that we will go through is the sense of sight, seeing. So if your eyes are closed, gently peel them open and find somewhere to look on the ground ahead of you. So maybe about 3 to 6 feet, so much so that the eyes are only about halfway open. Allow the eyeballs to just rest back in the sockets. Imagine that there's an infinite horizontal line in front of you that you're trying to see as much of as you can. So we're softening the gaze and just letting the visual field come in through the eyes. Notice what happens as you soften the gaze and simply allow yourself to see. Stay with this sense, and again, whenever the mind wanders, simply bring it on back to seeing. Gently lift your right hand, place it over your heart center, and then stack your left palm on top and draw the eyes closed. Take a couple moments to either sense, detect, feel the heartbeat in the chest, or feel the breath. The inhales lift the chest and the exhales lower. Stay in the body. And tune into what I like to call our sixth sense. So yet again, your emotional well-being, the general feeling or vibe of the room, the space around you. If you had to describe the space that you are in on an energetic or emotional level,
How would you describe the room, the space you're in? And then tune into your own body, your own temple, your own space within. Bring your awareness to your mind. What word describes the state of your mind right now? Just notice, become aware. Give yourself a gentle scan of your body. How does it feel? And bring your palms to touch now, prayer hands. Tune into your emotional state of being. What emotion do you feel right in this moment? And just notice, observe, let it be. There may or may not be a transition from the past couple of minutes, but that's okay. Give yourself a smile. Thank yourself for showing up, for tuning into the space within and around you. And thank you for sharing your time with me here today. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.